White tea is the most delicate form of tea made from the same plant as green, black, and oolong, Camellia sinensis. What makes it unique is its simplicity. The young buds and leaves are picked in early spring, still covered in fine silvery hairs. Then they're dried naturally under the sun. That's it. No rolling, no fermentation, no firing. Just pure essence in your cup. It's literally tea in its purest form. Legend has it that white tea was first discovered during the Tang dynasty over 1,000 years ago. Back then, only the youngest, tenderest buds were handpicked before sunrise. Farmers had to protect them from light and dew. Emperors believed this tea had immortal properties, and if a single leaf was damaged, well, that was a serious offense. Later, during the Song dynasty, white tea became a symbol of luxury, used in imperial ceremonies and reserved for scholars and nobles. And even today, authentic white tea like Baihao Yinzhen, also known as silver needle, remains one of the most prized and expensive teas in the world. Now, here's where things get interesting. Because white tea is so minimally processed, it keeps almost all of its natural compounds intact. It's loaded with polyphenols, catechins, and flavonoids. These are the antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, strengthen your immune system, and slow the aging process. Here's a fun fact most people don't know. White tea actually has more antioxidants than green tea. Yes, more. And even though it's naturally low in caffeine, it still gives you a gentle energy boost without the jitters. So if green tea is the health drink of the modern world, white tea is its elegant ancestor, calm, pure, and surprisingly potent. Let's talk about what makes white tea so special for your body and mind. Skin health and anti-aging. White tea protects collagen and elastin, helping your skin stay youthful and firm. In fact, it's often found in cosmetics as an anti-aging extract, so you know it works wonders. Heart and circulation. Studies show its antioxidants may lower LDL cholesterol and improve artery function. Think of it as a gentle shield for your cardiovascular system. Immunity and detox. Those polyphenols and catechins neutralize free radicals, supporting your liver and immune defense. Oral health. White tea naturally contains fluoride, tannins, and catechins. These can inhibit bacteria responsible for plaque and bad breath, freshening your smile. Brain protection. Early research suggests it may even protect neurons from oxidative damage and support memory and focus. And here's a fun fact: monks used to drink white tea before meditation, not just for the calm energy, but to stay mentally sharp and spiritually clear. Now let's talk about how to prepare this delicate tea. If you use boiling water, you'll destroy its gentle flavor. Here's the perfect method. First, heat your water to 75 to 80 degrees. That's 175 degrees, never boiling. Next, add 2 teaspoons per cup if you're using loose leaves. Steep for 2-3 minutes, no more than that. Enjoy it plain, no sugar, no lemon, just pure aroma and a soft floral sweetness. You'll notice hints of honey, melon, or even peony. Depending on the variety, like silver needle or white peony, it's a treat. And if you want to enjoy it cold, white tea makes an amazing iced tea. Just brew it double strength, chill it, and serve it with a slice of pear or cucumber. Trust me, it's unbelievably refreshing. White tea isn't just a drink, it's a ritual of calm, clarity, and rejuvenation. It reminds us that the simplest things often hold the greatest power. The purest leaves, the gentlest touch, the slowest process, these are what matter. So, next time you want to unwind, skip the coffee or soda, let a cup of white tea show you what real purity tastes like, because sometimes less really is more. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, hit the like button, share it with your tea-loving friends, and subscribe for more secrets from the world of herbs and phytotherapy.